In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the clone tool in Photopea. First, open your web browser and head to Photopea. It runs right in the browser, so there's nothing to install, and it works well with common formats like JPG and PNG. Once you're on the home page, click Open from Computer. Select the image you want to edit and let it load into the workspace. This is the picture you'll be cleaning up or retouching. Now look at the toolbar on the left and choose the clone stamp tool. It looks like a small rubber stamp. You can also press the S key to select it quickly. The clone stamp copies pixels from one area of your image and paints them onto another, which is perfect for removing blemishes, distractions, or duplicating textures. Before you start painting, go to the stamp settings at the top. Here, set your brush size and hardness. A softer brush blends edges more naturally, which is great for skin or subtle textures. A harder brush keeps edges crisp, useful for sharp lines and detailed areas. Adjust opacity and flow to control how strong the effect appears with each stroke. Lower values build up gradually and keep things looking realistic. You'll also see options like Aligned and the sampling mode. When Aligned is on, the source point moves along with your brush as you paint. When it's off, the source resets to the original spot each time you start a new stroke. Choose what feels best for your task. Next, hold the Alt key on Windows or Option on a Mac and click on a clean area you want to sample. This tells Photopea where to copy from. Try to pick a source that matches the lighting, color, and texture of the area you're fixing. Now paint over the area you want to correct by clicking and dragging. Use short, controlled strokes and resample often by Alt or Option clicking nearby spots to avoid repeating patterns. If the clone texture looks too sharp or too soft, adjust brush hardness and size on the fly. The bracket keys are a quick way to change size. Zoom in for precision and zoom out to check the overall effect. When you're done, take a moment to review the result. Toggle your visibility or undo a stroke if something looks off, and make small refinements by sampling closer to edges and seams. With a few careful passes, the clone should blend seamlessly, leaving your image clean and natural.